Greetings to our distinguished educators and fellow researchers.
The foundation for academic success in primary education is the development of basic skills. Understanding how important it is for learners to have a solid foundation in mathematics,
I, Estrella Aguinaldo,
and Dinalyn Dakayanan, focus our study in
improving the skills of grade 5 pupils in adding fractions and mixed fractions through 3Es: explore, explain, and engage approach. Before we end, we would like to leave you this message to ponder from Mathea Harvey. Teaching is a great way to keep learning.
From SDO Candon City, Ma'am Evelyn and Ma'am Estrella Aguinaldo and Ma'am Dinalyn Dakayanan. May we invite our researchers to be at the podium. Yan. And may we call on for his question, Dr. Frederick
Yes.
Pataksil.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Good morning, beautiful researchers from Lawag.
Sige.
So,
Doc,
may...
pa-open ng camera, Doc.
yes, po. Okay, sorry. I have my one question is this one, ano. So, in your discussion, you enumerated three, di ba? The 3F, the 5F, and the 7 strategies. Okay. So my question is, why did you exclude other component of the strategy, like the elaborated, then we have the evaluated, and other strategies that is part of the framework, ano. So that is my only query.
Sir, I'm sorry but I cannot clearly
Ganito na lang. O, sige. Bakit inalis niyo yung di ba? In your discussion kasi, you have three approaches, di ba? Three approaches. You have the 3E, you have the 5E, and you have the 7E. Correct? Correct me, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why did you exclude elaborated, evaluated, extended in your study?
Okay. Thank you, sir, for that question. Actually, sir, this study, the trees approach, is based or inspired by the 5Es and 7Es approach. However, there are a lot of phases, and we limited it into 3 only. We have the explore, explain, and engage because it was pandemic that time, and we need to think of other ways on how to teach the lesson without many processes. That's why we limited it into 3, sir.
Follow-up question, ma'am. So, in your own perception, is elaborated and evaluate is not very important sa pagtuturo ng bata, in case if you want to, di ba, want to elaborate something or want to evaluate whether your learner may nakukuha dun sa intervention na ginawa nyo.
Okay, sir. In our intervention, in the explain phase, we have there the explanation of the teacher, and we are studying here the effectiveness of the 3Es and not the 7 and the 5Es. And we believe the teacher elaborated also the topics in the explain phase, but not exactly as in the 3Es and in the 5Es, rather, and the 7Es, sir. That is why we came up with this, and with the results and findings, we found it effective, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Doc Frederick. May we also hear another question from Dr. Yolanda Lau. Ma'am?
Good morning. Congratulations for the research that you did. Right. Ma'am, I just wonder, actually, it was the same question with Dr. Frederick earlier. I was just wondering if, as well, why the elaboration, tama po ba? And the 2Es were actually excluded as to the um, conduct of the study, since we know that there should be 5 is that are actually very important in the process. So, omitting these two, how were you able to elicit better results for this particular action research that you actually had? Kasi they are actually part of the process, supposedly. Ma'am?
Okay, ma'am. Just like what I said a while ago, we just limited it into three. It's because during that time it was pandemic, and we believe that we need to limit it in lesser phase so that we could be able to teach the children with the limited time that we were having in before, because it's only limited face to face, ma'am. However, we believe that in the engaged phase, where students are engaged with differentiated activities, we would be able to evaluate on how well they understood the lesson through the 3 E's approach, ma'am. And in the elaboration, it's in the explain phase. However, it's not just like the phases and processes involved in the 5 E's and 7 E's. That's why we came up with this new approach, so that we would like to see if it is effective or not.